I'm at 12 Dunheved Fields. It's a dormer bungalow, 2 bedrooms upstairs along with a bathroom and an ensuite, and then downstairs you've got the sunroom that you can see behind me and a 3rd bedroom which actually is used as a craft room, and a huge kitchen, living room, diner, L-shaped, ever so big wood burning stove in there, and that leads into a brand new kitchen. So lots of improvements made to this property over the few years of ownership of our present vendors. So have a look at the video, then call to book a viewing. Look forward to seeing you.